Pastebin is a type of online content hosting service where users can store plain text, example to source code snippets for code review via internet relay chat. In this video, we are going to share the best alternatives to Pastebin. The online compiler and debugging tool has much more it than Pastebin and allows you to execute it up to 60 programming languages. It comes with several built-in features and tools that ensures your code works smoothly. It is just not for building any website out there, but there is a lot to do with it. Unlike other websites, the particular one is quite hassle-free and allows you to publish your thoughts without being tracked. The online open source platform makes sure that the server has no hint of what has been pasted on the page. The web page is equipped with 256-bit AES in gallows counter mode that can encrypt and decrypt the data in the browser. Developers out there who struggle to develop their website on Pastebin has come up with the ideal pair. The platform makes it easy to create, upload and share codes with your acquaintances. The online community and IDE service offer the users to feature the CSS, JavaScript and HTML code snippets. It also works as a cloud-based JavaScript background that allows the user to tweak their codes and see real-time results. Made specifically for front-end designers and developer, CodePen.io is known to be the best platform to create a website. It offers an excellent opportunity to showcase your work and derive inspiration from the front-end development portfolio. Considered to be prototyping and an IDE tool for web development, the Code Sandbox allows you to users to execute their ideas and test them whenever they wanted to do. Each of the sites like Pastebin that we have mentioned has something unique to its own, and in no way one can be replaced with another. However, you can always get your work done with these options in case one doesn't work out. So that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then hit that like button below and do subscribe for more such videos.